Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, checking out the newest, latest, and greatest from Innokin. This is a fantastic monitor. This stuff is 4K, Ultra HD, and it's absolutely fantastic. It's beautiful. It's backlit with a cool blue that I'm looking at right now, but you're gonna absolutely love this. So, what can I tell you about? Now, Innokin is one of those premier brands that's taken over. Everybody seems to love their products. I love the design on this. We'll show it later in the up close portion of the video, but it's easily adjustable for height. So you can get it perfectly. I like it high because I'm a taller guy. You can get it to where it's not messing with your vision. It'll go angle this way. Now on top of that, it does come with all the cabling you need to get your monitor up to date. Now, for me, I can do it side by side, say I'm working here, and I can have the exact same screen. So say we're talking to a customer, something of the sort. Well, guess what? We can have the exact same screen. I can show them what I'm working on. But we can also do to where I see them both and it's going left to right. I've extended my screen. Obviously, this is such a great monitor that you can just have it solely for your desktop. I like to have it for my laptop. There's so many different functions and ways you can use this. You can extend your screen, you can do top, bottom, side, etc., or just duplicate your screen. Now, this is gonna be the perfect screen for even doing side by side even on it. That's a big advantage. And what a beautiful monitor. The folks at Innokin have done so many good things to make sure that they're bringing you the best of the best so you can forget the rest. All right, now I love to do work in Excel. This allows me to put half the screen in Excel, half the screen in whatever other program I'm using. If I'm carrying stuff between tables, it's great for that. It's a wide screen that works fantastic. And it's available with Amazon Prime, and we know all of the benefits of Amazon Prime. 31, I always mess this up, 3840 by 2160. That is a great resolution. That's not 1080, that's twice that, and that it's the amount of pixels goes up exponentially. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We want to show you products that are absolutely fantastic, and Innokin does it again. They're an innovator, and you're going to want to pick it up. All right, don't take my word for it. Go ahead and get it for yourself. You absolutely will not be disappointed. A fantastic brand, a fantastic company, and just a straightforward design. Thanks again for watching. Go ahead and pick yours up, and adios, amigos. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. See the brand, INNOCN, Innokin, is how I always pronounce it. This is the 27-inch mini LED monitor. It's 4K. You can see it has the 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD. Mini LED, it's got the Type-C, the lifting base, the IPS, and HDR 1000 display. All right, now it is a beautiful monitor. Great speakers on it. It's got the adjustable height. Let me back up so you can see this. Easy to adjust. And then left and right. Very adjustable, easy to use. It's got the 2 HDMI, the USB-C, etc. in the back. And it does come with all the cabling that you need. In fact, let me show you that. Okay, has all the cabling that you need. Now, obviously, we already have it plugged in. So, and then the factory information. Color 6500K. Gamma Curve 2.2. Adobe Red, Green, Blue. Digital input. And this thing is pretty fantastic. So if you're looking for a great device with the blackest blacks, the brightest colors, and the perfect size for you and the family, well, guess what? This monitor has you covered. Innokin, folks. Thanks again for watching. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and pick it up. Adios, amigos.